this month, we've talked about bumper crops of sweet corn and berries.
Yeah, but what does a productive harvest have to do with bumpers? And what is behind the name of West St. Paul? Good questions. Here's Heather Brown.
I live in West St. Paul.
So maybe you can help us with this one. Why is West St. Paul called West St. Paul when it's south of St. Paul?
That's a mystery. It is a mystery.
If you go across the street 5 blocks from here, it's gonna be South St. Paul.
Yeah.
Though I did do some research and found out in the old days of St. Paul, this was the west side of the river.
The Dakota and Ramsey County Historical Society has helped me with this one.
Well, depends how we look at it.
It has everything to do with the Mississippi River, which runs north-south, except for this little spot here near West St. Paul and St. Paul. But you can see West St. Paul is still on the west bank of the Mississippi River, so its name doesn't have anything to do with its relation to downtown St. Paul, but rather its relation to the river.
I just had an aha moment. And I said, I wish I could share this with everybody.
And now you can.
And now here we are.
Jacob from Minnetonka asks, why do we hiccup?
Usually I get hiccups when I'm really cold.
It's because our diaphragm, which is a muscle right below our lungs, gets irritated. It starts contracting, and those spasms are hiccups. A lot of the time it'll happen because we
take too much air in.
Eating something without chewing it.
And our stomach pushes up on the diaphragm. Persistent hiccups can come from irritation to the nerve that controls the diaphragm.
Conditions are ripe for a sweet corn bumper crop.
And that had Rich from Oakdale wanting to know, why is a good yield called a bumper crop?
It's bigger than normal, and it bumps up the crop from the year before, maybe.
That's a really good guess.
But the Old Farmer's Almanac says it's because back in the 1700s, a cup of wine filled to the brim was called a bumper.
Is that right? I did not know that. I love history. I love this. I'm glad you guys showed up today.
We are too.
Well, if you have a good question for Heather, please email it by going to WCCO.com/links.